You need to hear this if you're a beginner investor. Ready to revolutionize your financial future? Let's dive in. You won't believe how effortless and exciting investing has become. Did you know that over 50% of new investors start their journey with just a smartphone app? It's like having a financial guru right in your pocket. Investing has never been more accessible thanks to the rise of beginner-friendly apps. And no, you don't need to wear a suit and tie. In today's video, we're diving into 3 top apps that will kickstart your investing journey, even if you're starting from scratch. Yes, even if your only financial plan so far has been finding loose change in the couch. I'm here to show how tech can make life simpler, and maybe even a bit more thrilling. Let's make investing simple and smart, and maybe even a little bit exhilarating.
Hi everyone, I'm Jamie, and just like many of you, I was lost in a sea of investment options. One day, after scrolling through social media, I found investing apps that promised to make investing easy. Intrigued, I decided to give them a try. Today, I'm diving into 3 top apps that will kickstart your investing journey, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's make investing simple and smart. Imagine a world where you can invest in stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies all in one place. Enter WeBull, an all-in-one platform perfect for both beginners and advanced traders. I dove into WeBull with excitement and nerves, kind of like jumping into a pool without checking the water temperature first. I wondered, does it cost money to trade stocks on WeBull? Spoiler alert, it doesn't. A quick search revealed. No commission fees. My wallet did a little happy dance.
It is like finding a $20 bill in an old pair of jeans. You can keep all your profits. It's like finding out calories don't count on weekends. No, WeBull charges 0 commission fees for stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrency trades, which means you get to keep all your profits. Yes, all of them. Yes, WeBull supports over 40 cryptocurrencies, and investing is just as easy as buying stocks. It's like shopping online, but for digital coins. However, if you're planning to invest more than $10,000 in crypto, I'd recommend using a dedicated crypto wallet. Because, safety first. Yes, WeBull allows you to invest in fractional shares, meaning you can own a part of a stock for as little as $5. Perfect for those of us who can't afford a whole Amazon share. Yes, WeBull is one of the best apps for options trading. It's like having a secret weapon in your trading arsenal. It offers extended trading hours and advanced technical analysis tools for those who want to take their trades to the next level. Because who needs sleep, right? Yes. When you sign up using the link in the description and deposit any amount of money, even just a penny, you'll get free stocks worth at least $34 with the chance to earn up to $30,600 in free stocks. It's like winning the stock market lottery.
I started with WeBull because of the sign-up bonus. Getting free stocks right off the bat made me feel like I was already winning. Have you tried WeBull yet? Share your experience in the comments.
Next up is Acorns, an app that automatically invests your spare change. Yes, even that loose change you find in your couch cushions. Imagine every coffee you buy, every little expense, magically transforming into investments. It's like having a financial fairy godmother. This is perfect for beginners who may not have a large sum to invest up front, or for those of us who spend all our money on coffee.
I was intrigued by Acorns' Roundup feature. Does it cost money to use Acorns? I wondered. The answer is yes, but I learned that the automation and ease of use make it worth it.
Yes, Acorns charges a monthly fee starting at $3 for a personal account. That's less than a fancy coffee. However, the automation and ease of use make it worth it for many beginners, and it's way more productive than scrolling through memes. Yes, Acorns automatically invests in fractional shares of ETFs, exchange-traded funds. No stock picking stress required. You don't need to pick individual stocks. Leave that to the pros. Instead, Acorns invests in a diversified portfolio on your behalf. It's like having a personal financial advisor in your pocket. Yes, Acorns often runs promotions where you can earn a cash bonus after you make your first investment. Who doesn't love free money? Be sure to check for any active offers when signing up. You might just get a little extra for your spare change. Absolutely. Acorns lets you set up recurring contributions on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, making it easy to build your portfolio over time. Slow and steady wins the race, right? Acorns automatically rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. It's like a piggy bank with a PhD. For example, if you buy coffee for $3.75, Acorns will round it up to $4 and invest the extra 25 cents. Your caffeine habit just got a lot smarter.
When I first tried Acorns, I loved seeing my spare change automatically turn into investments. It's a great feeling. Have you tried Acorns Roundup feature? Let me know how it's working for you in the comments.
Lastly, we have Robinhood, the app that revolutionized the investing world with its zero-commission trades and beginner-friendly interface. It's like the Netflix of trading apps, binge-worthy and addictive. Imagine trading stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies without any fees. It's like finding out the ice cream is calorie-free.
I downloaded Robinhood, excited by the promise of simplicity. Does it cost money to trade stocks on Robinhood? I asked. The answer is no. I felt relieved and ready to start trading.
Robinhood charges zero commission fees for stock, ETF, options, and cryptocurrency trades. It's like a buffet where everything is free. Can you buy fractional shares on Robinhood? You bet, yes. Robinhood allows users to buy fractional shares, meaning you can own a part of a stock for as little as $1. It's like buying a slice of pizza instead of the whole pie. This is great if you want to invest in high-priced stocks like Google or Amazon but don't have enough for a full share. Because who has Amazon money lying around? Does Robinhood offer a sign-up bonus? Oh, you betcha. Yes, Robinhood offers new users a free stock worth up to $1,700 when they sign up and deposit just $1. It's like finding a golden ticket in your chocolate bar. It's a fantastic way to get started with a small investment. And who doesn't love free stuff? Can you trade cryptocurrency on Robinhood? Absolutely. Yes, Robinhood allows you to trade several cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's like having a digital treasure chest. Unlike some apps, Robinhood gives you your own crypto wallet so you can send and receive cryptocurrency directly. No middlemen, just you and your digital coins. Is Robinhood good for options trading? Let's break it down. Robinhood makes options trading simple, but it doesn't have advanced tools for technical analysis. It's like having a basic toolkit when you need a power drill. You may need a third-party tool like TradingView to supplement your charts, because sometimes you need a little extra oomph. Pros, zero commissions, easy-to-use interface, fractional shares, crypto support. It's like a dream come true for beginners. Cons, limited charting tools for advanced traders, occasional customer service issues. Because nothing's perfect, right? Best for beginners who want a simple and straightforward app for trading stocks, options, and crypto. It's like training wheels for your investment journey.
Robinhood was my go-to when I started trading. The interface is so clean and simple, making the learning curve practically non-existent. Have you tried Robinhood yet? What's your favorite feature? Drop it in the comments below. Whether you're looking to automate your investments with Acorns, dive into stocks and crypto with Robinhood, or trade like a pro with WeBull, these apps make it easier than ever to start building your financial future.
If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and follow us for more content. Let us know which app you're most excited to try in the comments below. Remember, investing is like planting a tree. The best time to start was yesterday, but the second best time is now. So take that first step today and watch your financial future grow. Let's embark on this journey together.